Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make tomato chutney dosa, which we are going to spread in the dosa. So let's start the recipe. So here I took 4 to 5 tomatoes and here I took some red chilies. How much spice you want in a chutney. I'm going to grind this one as a very smooth paste. Take a pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil. In this, I am going to add some mustard seeds. When the mustard seeds started spluttering, we have to add the tomato paste. So here I grinded the tomato paste and I am going to add this one. So here I am adding this tomato paste here and I am going to add some salt and turmeric powder up to your taste how much salt you want in your tomato chutney. So here I am adding some salt up to your taste how much salt you want in your tomato chutney, and in this I am going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder which gives a nice color in the tomato chutney. We have to cook this tomato chutney for 5 minutes. I added turmeric powder, guys. No need to add the chili powder because we added the red chili along with the tomato while grinding. So in 5 minutes the chutney will be ready. So can you see, guys, the chutney started reducing. I put up to this level and it reduced and it started becoming thick. So can you see? Here. So the chutney is ready. It's time to prepare dosa. So for dosa, here I took the dosa pan and I'm going to sprinkle some water because the tawa is very hot. So we have to sprinkle some water. In this, I'm going to make dosa. So here is the dosa batter and we have to take like this. In the center also we have to do like this. And in the surroundings we have to apply some oil. So we have to cook this dosa for 1 to 2 minutes in a very medium flame. And in the center itself we have to apply this chutney. And we have to spread like this all the surroundings of the dosa. And in the middle we have to add some butter. So can you see, guys, here I added the butter and I'm going to turn this dosa like this. So can you see how crisp? So if you want to add the cheese or you can add any aloo masala inside, so we can call Mysore masala dosa. So today I'm making the plain dosa and I'm going to take this one. So dosa is ready. Here I am making one more dosa. So after 2 minutes we have to spread that tomato chutney. So it's time to spread this tomato chutney inside the dosa. So we can call, in South India, we call Chutney Dosa. So we can make different types of dosa, guys. Podi dosa, Chutney Dosa. And in this, I'm going to add a small piece of butter, which gives the crispiness in the dosa. So this is a quick video of how to make chutney, tomato chutney inside the dosa at your home. See you soon in another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye. Can you see, guys, the dosa and the chutney? No side dish is required because the chutney itself have a lot of spiciness. If you want, you can use the coconut chutney or any sambar. So yeah. Bye.